Hi learners, this is Tutor Marife. Let's continue the explanation of the solution to this challenging exponential equation. This time, our focus is on the denominator on the left side of the given equation. The denominator is 12 raised to the power of x plus 18 raised to the power of x. And the goal is to rewrite this denominator in terms of variables a and b using these representations. Let 2 raised to the power of x equals a, and let 3 raised to the power of x equals b. The first term of the denominator is 12 raised to the power of x. The base number is 12, and its prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 3, or 2 squared times 3. By replacing this base number 12 with its prime factorization, this first term of the denominator becomes quantity 2 squared times 3 raised to the power of x. The second term is 18 raised to the power of x. The base number is 18, and its prime factorization is 2 times 3 times 3, or 2 times 3 squared. By replacing this base number 18 with its prime factorization, the second term of the denominator becomes quantity 2 times 3 squared raised to the power of x. Then, apply the power of a product law of exponents. The law states that when a product is being raised to an exponent, raise each part of the product to that exponent. So raise 2 squared to the power of x, raise 3 to the power of x. Raise 2 to the power of x, raise 3 squared to the power of x. This denominator becomes 2 squared raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x, plus 2 raised to the power of x times 3 squared raised to the power of x. Then apply these representations. Replace 3 raised to the power of x with b. Replace 2 raised to the power of x with a. Then apply power of a power law of exponents and commutative property of multiplication in these factors. Remember that by power of a power law of exponents, which states that when a power is being raised to another power, keep the base, then multiply the exponents. Since we're supposed to multiply the exponents, we can apply commutative property of multiplication, which states that changing the order of the factors will not affect the product. Therefore, we can swap these exponents. X goes in, 2 goes out. Therefore, 2 squared raised to the power of x is just the same as 2 raised to the power of x squared. And 3 squared raised to the power of x is just the same as 3 raised to the power of x squared. Again, apply these representations. We can replace 2 raised to the power of x with a, and we can replace 3 raised to the power of x with b. Therefore, this denominator 12 raised to the power of x plus 18 raised to the power of x is now expressed in terms of variables a and b. It is now equivalent to a squared b plus ab squared. This polynomial is factorable by GCF method. The greatest common factor of these terms is ab, so let's factor out ab. To derive this binomial factor, let's just divide these terms by their GCF. A squared b divided by ab equals a, ab squared divided by ab equals b. So the factored form of a squared b plus ab squared is ab times quantity a plus b. This is equivalent to the original expression on the denominator, which is 12 raised to x plus 18 raised to x.